People migrate from the countryside to the big city to change into a better life, resulted in 77.16% of Malaysians living in the city areas. And the population is still growing. Energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission is increasing with the rise in population density in the urban areas. Do you know one of the greatest greenhouse gases emitters is air conditioning system? Conventional air conditioners utilize hydrofluorocarbon as refrigerant, which is a more potent GHG compared to carbon dioxide, and is contributing to the depletion of the ozone layer. According to previous research, conventional air conditioner is implemented in 68.7% of households in Malaysia. And what about the multi-story building that usually operates up to 12 hours per day? How much HFC is released every day? With the development technology, solar absorption chiller that utilizes solar radiation is introduced as a prominent green alternative to the conventional air conditioning system. What is solar absorption chiller? Solar absorption chiller is a system that uses solar energy instead of electricity and uses water and lithium bromide mixture as the refrigerant instead of HFC. Solar absorption chiller consists of few components which include solar collector, condenser, generator, evaporator, absorber, and heat exchanger. How does it work? First, the water is mixed with the lithium bromide in the absorber and pumped into the generator through the heat exchanger. The heat collected by the solar collector is supplied to the generator to heat up the water and lithium bromide mixture in the generator. When heated, the water from the mixture will evaporate and rise to the condenser, leaving the concentrated lithium bromide sink to the bottom. The concentrated lithium bromide will flow back to the absorber. Meanwhile, the vapor will go through a cooling tower. The vapor will turn into water due to the lower pressure and goes into evaporator. Due to the near vacuum condition in the evaporator, the water will drop in temperature and run through the evaporator while carries the heat of the building. Now, let us explore what is it so good about this technology. Unlike the conventional air conditioning system, solar absorption chiller uses sunlight instead of fossil fuel, which can cut down the running cost significantly. Moreover, instead of using HFC as a refrigerant, solar absorption chiller utilizes eco-friendly lithium bromide and water mixture. Interestingly, the installation of solar absorption chiller on the roof of buildings can block out the sunlight from directly contacting the buildings. Solar absorption chiller sounds amazing, right? But how do we implement the system? No worries, we have a proposal of strategy for the implementation, phase by phase. For the first phase of the strategy, we would like to propose for a collaboration with related ministries, such as Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, known as MOSTI, or Ministry of Energy, Green Technology and Water, known as KETA, to create a program specifically for the installation of solar absorption chiller on government-owned buildings in line with net energy metering, known as NEM. After accomplishing the first phase, the second phase would be to collab with solar absorption chiller manufacturers and companies with green initiatives. The collaboration can keep the final price affordable. Moreover, solar absorption chiller could be registered as a part of the product certification scheme under SIRIM QAS International Berhad to provide assurances of safety and reliability to users. With the kickstart of implementation of the system at government building, affordable and quality assured, now solar absorption chiller can be adopted by you and me. Urbanization is unlikely to go away anytime soon. Therefore, one of the best methods to adapt to the ever-rising population in urban areas is to implement a solar absorption chiller. To provide a comfortable environment in the buildings without GHG emission and save up on electricity. I sincerely hope that the solar absorption chiller will be implemented and replace the GHG emitting conventional air conditioning system in the foreseeable future.